Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
Last week, the PSEi rallied for 4 consecutive days on the back of positive sentiment arising from better-than-expected economic data reports. This move allowed the PSEi to rebound off the support level of its current downtrend channel, but our local benchmark encountered resistance at its 50-day SMA to end the trading week. The PSEi is currently situated in the middle of the channel, and we will be able to see this week which one of these scenarios will play out. Scenario 1, the index may revisit the top end of the range near 6,400, or Scenario 2, the index may correct and may retest the lower end of the range at around 5,832.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Fruitus Holdings Incorporated. Fruit has been in a downtrend since its debut in 2019, but the stock has formed what seems to be a falling wedge pattern using the stock's weekly time frame. It is a bullish reversal pattern that, if broken, a breakout rally may occur. Fruit is currently trading at 1.19. If it breaks above the earlier said formation, we may open a position on the stock at 1.28. Our target price is set at 1.88 or its December 2020 peak, while our stop level is placed at 1.05. Note that this trade idea is a long-term play based on technical analysis, and a lot of patience is required. As an additional risk management, limit your exposure on this trade as the reward-to-risk ratio is below 3-to-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.